Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can bulk edit or apply changes to tasks in bulk in your projects on GanttPro. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your project and select a view here in the top left, like the Gantt view, the board, list, calendar, and so on and so forth. I will go with a Gantt chart. Now guys, to apply changes or edits to multiple tasks at once, you'll need to use that button in the top left here. It looks like a checkbox, so click into it, and that is going to open up that list of checkboxes to the left. So if you'd like to select all tasks within your view or project, click into the uppermost checkbox or unselect it, or if you'd like to select multiple but not all, simply go through these checkboxes and select them. For example, you may go with these tasks here and subtasks, or unselect a subtask and only apply a change to these tasks here. So that's how we do it. Now, after that, you will see that bulk change panel here to the right. So you may, for example, apply these changes. You may delete tasks in bulk, for example, if they are selected here, but that's not all. You can also, for example, change the task color, assign a priority status to multiple selected tasks in bulk. So let me set the priority to high and apply that. And now these tasks have a high priority, as you can see, in bulk. That's how I do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.